Imagine stepping into a land that looks like it belonged to another planet. This is Socotra Island, often called the Island of Legends and the most alien looking island on the earth. Hello, guys, my name is Hridoy, and today me and my team will take you to a short journey to discover Socotra Island. So, let's begin. So, when you arrive here, you feel like you are in a dream. Strange trees, rare animals, and peaceful beaches make it one of the most special places in our planet. Today, we will take you on a short journey to discover Socotra Island, its location, its nature, its people, and why the whole world respects this island. Socotra is in the Indian Ocean, about 350 kilometers south of Yemen. It is the largest island in the Socotra archipelago. The island is surrounded by clean blue waters, white sandy beaches, and high mountains because it is far from big cities. Its nature is still clean and untouched. For thousands of years, sailors passed by Socotra, making it not only a natural wonder but also a meeting place between Africa, Arabia, and Asia.
Hello guys, I'm going to talk about Socotra. Where Socotra? Why Socotra is the one of the best in the world? So I'm going to tell you and my friends, they will tell you that. Where Socotra? Socotra in Yemen, in my country. Why Socotra of the best in the world? I'm going to tell you that. Bismillah. Naturality, diversity. What makes Socotra truly magical is its biodiversity. Nearly 37% of its plants found else, nowhere else on Earth. So the famous dragon blood tree with its umbrella-like shape stands as the symbol of the Iceland. You will find also real frankincense trees, unique reptiles, and colorful birds that you can't see anywhere else. So Socotra is one of the best islands in the world, and also there are many unique animals cannot be found anywhere except Socotra. So many nationalities tourists visit Socotra by daily basis. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I'm going to let you listen to my friends. Thank you so much.
Socotra is home to about 60,000 people, most of them who live in small villages or in towns along the coast. Their daily life is simple and closely connected to the sea and the land. Fishing, herding goats, and farming are the main ways they survive. The people of Scotia speak Scotri, a very old language that is completely different from Arabic. It has been spoken for thousands of years, and until recently it was never written down, only spoken from generation to generation. This shows how old and unique the culture of Scotia. Tradition is very important to the island. They sing old songs, tell stories, and make beautiful handcraft from local materials. Guests are welcomed with warmth and hospitality, sharing food and tea as part of their culture. Even though their life may look simple from the outside, the culture is rich, proud, and deeply connected to the nature. And Scotia has a hot and dry climate for most of the year. The sun is strong and rain is very rare. Because of this, many plants have developed unusual shapes to save water and survive in those tough conditions. But the most special time of the year is the monsoon season, from June to September. During this month, strong winds blow across the island, make the access to the island both dangerous and challenging.
So let's talk about the world significance of Socotra. How significant this island is, based on some classifications and opinions. So, in 2008, Socotra became a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This shows the world how special and rare this island is. Scientists, explorers, and travelers as well call it one of the last natural treasures of Earth. Protecting Socotra is very important, not only for Yemen, but for the whole planet. One of the considerable reasons to make Socotra that important is the famous attractions. Visitors to Socotra can see many amazing places. The most famous are the dragon blood trees and the frankincense trees. There are also beautiful beaches like Calancia and Delicia, where the sand is white and the water is clear. And deep inside the mountains, there are mysterious caves such as Hook Cave, where old writings and shapes are still found on the walls.
So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are searching for a place that feels like another world, Scott Island is the perfect choice for you. It's not only about sightseeing, it's about stepping into a natural wonder that has been protected by time and isolation. On Iskota, you don't just see nature, you feel it. You walk under the shade of the dragon blood trees, swim in clear waters, hear birds that exist nowhere else, and explore caves filled with history. What makes the island even more special is its untouched spirit. Unlike other tourist places, Scota is still pure and quiet, far from crowds and big hotels. This gives visitors the chance to connect deeply with nature and experience peace in its most natural form. In the end, Scota is more than a destination. It's an unforgettable journey into one of Earth's last true treasure. A place where legend, culture, and nature from daughter to create an
experience you will carry with you forever. Thank you so much, and Scott Island is the perfect destination for you.